If you want to learn how to add a line in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to add a line shape to your project so you can use it for clean layouts, transitions, emphasis, or simple design elements in your video. Whether you're editing on desktop or just getting started with CapCut, this method is fast, beginner-friendly, and only takes a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure you're on the main editing screen. Once your timeline is loaded, look at the top menu and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut stores a lot of visual elements you can add into your edit, including different shapes and decorative graphics. After clicking Stickers, go over to the left menu and click on Shapes. This section gives you access to simple design objects, and this is exactly where you'll find the line option. Now, you should be able to see a line shape listed here. Once you find it, click and drag it down into the timeline or onto your canvas, depending on how your version of CapCut is set up. As soon as you place it, the line will appear in your project and you can begin adjusting it to fit your design. From there, you can resize it, reposition it, and match it to the style of your video. If you want a clean underline, a divider, or a simple graphic to highlight text or sections in your edit, this is the easiest way to do it. You can also duplicate it, extend it, or place it above text and other elements for a more polished look. CapCut makes this process very simple once you know where to find the Shapes panel, and now you do. So to quickly recap, click Stickers from the top menu, then click Shapes from the left menu, find the line shape, and drag it into your timeline. That's all it takes to add a line in CapCut. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.